You know?
Yeah, you're from the city of Varanasi. तो
Yes.
आपने तो अपने बचपन में grow up करते हुए, you must have seen the chillum smoking sadhus.
Yes.
उनको तो कभी कोई, there is never any police intervention for the sadhu to stop smoking it, right? What was growing up around this chillum culture in Varanasi? Did you feel mystified by it? Did you ever want to go and try it with these guys?
The funny thing is, there is no mystery to it. There's no mysticalness to it. There's nothing about it. To me, a holy man sitting by the ghat in Banaras, smoking a chillum. It's the chillum in his hand is as much a part of him as like the mala he's wearing or the mandir he's going to. It's just a normal part of being, a holy person in these parts. So to me, but at the same time, my family, because we are not a very religious family, or we're not the kind of family that like, I think my parents were always the word, they didn't know what it was. उनको पता है कि कुछ नशा है.
Yeah.
Nasha can mean so many things, funnily enough, alcohol is a little bit outside of the purview of the nasha for a lot of Indian families.
Sure.
This is not, this is nasha bura hai, to nasha bhara brown sugar ho, cocaine ho, ganja ho, all nashas are in the same umbrella. So for me growing up, har nashe se dur rehna hai was the advice. The big exception is Holi, bhang. तब तो मतलब सब लोग खुल के भांग पीते हैं, and it's like the whole city is like
Right.
completely, high on
Out.
bhang.
Yeah.
Completely out. In my Banaras chapter, I've written about, I was there on Holi last time, and
अगर आपको इस पॉडकास्ट की छोटी छोटी झलक देखनी है तो उसका क्लिप्स को सब्सक्राइब करें.
मतलब सुबह 6:30 बजे टेक्नो म्यूजिक शुरू हो जाएगा, पार्टी शुरू हो गई, एंड बाय 10:30 11 सब लोग भांग पी के आराम से डांस करके अब सोने का टाइम आ गया. एंड दिस इज
Right.
द बेस्ट एनी भांग ड्रिंकर हैज नोन, दैट देयर इज नो बेटर वे टू नैप ऑन अर्थ than after getting really high on bhang.
Because you're literally stoned. It's like you're carrying a stone, like a stony high inside you. ये जो भांग वाली चीज़ है ना, it's very interesting. होली के टाइम पे क्या होता है? And I always wonder about the quality of the bhang because I think with the legal market, at least what they do is, I mean, अमेरिका में तो legal market है खैर. They really regulate the weed very well, right? Like they make sure कि regulated अच्छा. आप जाते हो किसी खोखे पे और आपको भांग की गोली मिलती है 2 रुपए की. There is no possibility in the world that a 2 rupee bhang will have the same effect as like a cannabis sativa strain that you buy for $30 in America. Or nowadays what they do is, I don't know if you've been around like people who do this. They're like आपको OG मिल जाएगा. मैंने कहा OG क्या होता है? वो OG अमेरिका वाला जैसे होता है ऐसे वाला. It's like, so they try to sell those strains here, but it's still regulated. With this bhang, I've seen lots of people be very reckless because we don't have a culture exactly of handling these things, even in religious settings. Yeah.
It's true. See, my perspective or my experience of bhang and the fact it's unregulated is usually almost the same as almost anything else I'm eating off the street.
Okay.
Banaras में one of the things Banaras is known for is the street eating culture, street food culture. तो अब मैं जाके गोलगप्पा खाऊं और गोलगप्पा वाला पानी is just filled with far more dangerous things than the bhang would be filled with. I've had friends who've come from abroad जो एक गोलगप्पा खा के 2 हफ्ते फिर वो उल्टी करना नहीं रुके.
Yeah, they get typhoid and food poisoning.
So there's a lot of things that are unregulated in India, and I feel bhang is just one of them.
Right.